Waking up early helps you change your life. Is it a fact, or just an old myth? Let's understand. Honestly, this is not just about waking up early, it's about finding time for yourself. In today's life, we all are busy, but still feel like we are not moving forward. So the real question is, are we actually using our time right? Most people stay busy all day, but still feel unproductive. That's because we rarely stop and observe how we are actually spending our time. We give our best energy to work, responsibilities, and others. And whatever is left, we give to ourselves. That's why growth feels slow. So, when you wake up early, you create space to think and to notice your patterns. And that awareness is where real change begins. Now, what exactly waking up early morning means? It's the only time where the world is silent and your mind is not overloaded yet. When you use this time for yourself, you start building control over your life. Instead of reacting, you start creating. Morning works not because it's magical, but because it's the only time when life is not demanding anything from you. No expectations, no pressure, just pure control over your time. So it's a self-investment time for you. Next, early hours are calm, slow, and powerful. While the world is still sleeping, you get a head start. This gives you clarity, focus, and control over your day, which means you are now using the power of quiet hours. Now I would like to ask you, what matters the most, consistency or motivation? Let me fill in, you won't feel motivated every day. But if you keep showing up, even when it's hard, that's where real change happens. We all wait for the perfect moment. When we feel motivated, when we feel ready. But that moment almost never comes. Successful people don't feel more motivated. They are just more disciplined with their time. Let's understand with an example. If your goal is weight loss, you don't fail because you don't know what to do. You fail because you don't do it daily. If your goal is learning a skill, you don't lack knowledge. You lack consistent time. And that's where most people lose. And that's why consistency builds discipline. Habits don't change overnight. The first few days feel uncomfortable. Your body resists, your mind makes excuses. But if you continue, within a few weeks, it becomes easier. And around 60 to 66 days, it becomes part of your identity. So choose consistency over motivation to move forward. Most important lesson you'll learn now. Here comes the 20-20-20 rule. Do you know what is 20-20-20 rule and how it works? It's a 60-minute routine that helps you adapt the good changes in your life. To make this journey easier, you don't need a complicated routine. Just follow a simple structure: 20 minutes to move your body, 20 minutes to reflect, and 20 minutes to grow. This balance helps you improve physically, mentally, and emotionally, all in just 1 hour. Now the question is, what to do after waking up? So, keep it very simple. In first 20 minutes, move your body. When you start your day with movement, your body wakes up, and so does your mind. It improves your energy levels and prepares you for a productive day. Because a tired body cannot create a focused mind. Then in next 20 minutes reflect. We rarely take time to sit with our thoughts. But when you pause and reflect, you understand your emotions better and your decisions become clearer. Clarity reduces confusion. In final 20 minutes grow. Growth doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in small daily efforts. Reading, learning, improving. These small actions compound over time and create massive results. And this 1 hour is enough to shift your entire day. When you start your day intentionally, you stop reacting to life and start designing it. As I mentioned earlier, motivation is temporary. It depends on the mood, energy, and situations. But discipline is different. It stays, even when you don't feel like it. And that's what builds consistency. Now comes the final lesson: transformation. When you start changing your mornings, you slowly start changing your habits. And when your habits change, our identity begins to change. And that's when your life truly transforms. These 10 lessons are enough to start changing your direction. Because your life doesn't change in one big decision. It changes in small daily choices. So try it for 7 days. Not perfectly, just honestly. And observe what starts changing inside you. Thank you for watching. Keep reading, keep supporting. Before signing off, would like to share some thoughts. I truly believe the best gifts you can give someone are not always material things. Gift, a plant that holds life. A pen, to write or rewrite their life. And books, that help them learn something new. So today, I shared one of those gifts with you. Now it's your turn to use it. Stay tuned, stay safe. See you in the next video.